Everybody's panicking, so help. What do you do? Boost your immunity. Okay, what's your immunity? The lymph system. The lymph system is what carries waste, toxins, viruses, everything out of the body. It carries it and takes it to the lymph nodes and then to the kidneys where it's eliminated. You need to get the kidneys filtering. You need to get the lymph system moving. How do you do that? Kidneys, the filter with dry fasting, with herbs and fruits. No proteins, no animal products, no cooked starches. Okay, lymph system, you get it moving with the fruits. Again, no protein, no animal products. Fruits are going to get these things going well. Dry fasting. Okay? As I say, don't eat, fast. How to do it? Don't eat. And if you eat only high quality foods. We're talking about fruits if you have them. If you don't have fruits, get dry dates. Okay? Dry dates. And water fast with dry dates will make you so healthy. It's not even funny. Okay? Fast, 14 to 16 hours a day. Break with fruits and dates. This is how you boost your immunity. It's just simple. Okay? Very, very simple. Get started.